Hi students, this is Sister Sheila. Now we are going to learn exercise 3.5 question number 3. Solve 8 into x power 3 by 2n minus 8 into x power minus 3 by 2n is equal to 63. The solution in the given equation, for these two terms 8 is a common if you take it out 8, and also x power 3 by 2n we can write in this form, x power 1 by 2n the whole cube minus x power minus 1 by 2n the whole cube, that is equal to 63. Now when you bring this negative power to the denominator, it will change into positive power. So in the next step, this term is remaining same, and here I change this one as a reciprocal. So when it change in the reciprocal, this negative power will change into positive power here. The whole cube, that is equal to 63. The next step what we are doing, we are going to substitute in the place of x power 1 by 2n is equal to y. Now if we substitute, we are getting 8 into x power 1 by 2n, we are substituting in the place y, so it becoming y cube minus, here also the same, so 1 by y cube is equal to 63. Next we are taking the LCM, or we can do the cross multiplication. If you do the cross multiplication, you will get y power 6 minus 1 into 1 divided by y cube is equal to 63. Now this y cube, if we bring to the right hand side, it will come as a multiplication. So here it becomes 63 y cube. Here the 8 is outside and we are going to multiply this inside terms by 8. If we multiply, we are getting 8 into y power 6 minus 8 is equal to 63 y cube. Now this is 63 y cube, if we bring to the left hand side, it will become minus 63 y cube. This y power 6 we can write as y cube the whole square. Now in the place of y cube, we are going to substitute t. If we substitute, we are getting the quadratic equation here, 8t square minus 63t minus 8 is equal to 0. Here the product is, now we are going to factorize this one. Here the product is equal to minus 8 into 8 is equal to 64. The sum is equal to minus 63. The two numbers supposed to be minus 64 and plus 1. Now we are splitting and writing the equation, 8t square minus 64t plus t minus 8 is equal to 0. Now for these two terms, 8t is a common. If you take it out, the remaining will be, inside will be t minus 8. Here already t minus 8 is there. For this one, if you take out 1 as a common, and the remaining will be t minus 8 is equal to 0. Now for these two terms, t minus 8 is a common. If you take out, the remaining will be, here there will be 8t and here there will be 1. So we got here 8t plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we got the two factors and we are going to equal these two factors with 0. When you equal with 0, t minus 8 is equal to 0, which gives t equal to 8. The next factor, 8t plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives 8t is equal to minus 1. From here we are getting t equal to minus 1 by 8. Now we are coming to case 1. When t is equal to 8, we found out two values for t. Now we are taking the first value, t equal to 8. Now in the place of t, we are going to replace by y cube, because we have taken the place of y cube t. So now we are going to replace t into y cube. If you substitute here y cube, that is equal to 8, and this, since this is in cube form, this 8 also we can write in a cube form, that is a 2 cube. Now this This 3 and 3 will be cancelled. The remaining will be y is equal to 2. In case 2, we are taking when t is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now in the place of t, we are replacing y cube. Now y cube is equal to minus 1 by 8. That is equal to, and since this is in cube form, and we can try to write this also in a cube form, so it will become minus 1 by 2 the whole cube. Now this, the power 3 and this power 3 will be cancelled. The value of y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we are going to replace y into x power 1 by 2n. In the beginning we assumed that in the place of x power 1 by 2n we substituted y. Now we are going to replace it. So in the place of in first case we found out the value of y is equal to 2. Now I am going to replace this y by x power 1 by 2n, that is equal to 2. Now I am going to multiply both sides by 2n and this power 2n, and this 2n will be cancelled. This will become 2 power 2n. Now x is equal to this 2 power 2n, I can write 2 power 2 into n. Now this 2 power 2 is nothing but 4 power n. So we found out one value of x is equal to 4 power n. The other value, we found out the value for y in second case. The value was y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here also we are going to replace this in the place of y x power 1 by 2n, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here also both sides we are multiplying by the power 2n. If we multiply by power 2n, this 2n and 2n will be cancelled, and here we are putting the whole to the power of 2n. Now this is x equal to, and this one we can write minus 1 by 2 the whole square, the whole to the power of n, that is equal to, when you are squaring the negative numbers it will become positive. So we got 1 by 4 the whole power n, that is equal to, now if you put the power n for both numerator and denominator, you will get 1 to the power n divided by 4 to the power n. Here 1 to the power n is the value is a 1, and 4 to the power n is here. So we found out the another value of x is equal to 1 by 4 power n. But here the final, the result is the root of x is nothing but 4 power n alone, because when you substitute this value in the equation x equal to 1 by 4 power n, and we are not getting the right side value 63, but we are getting minus 63. That means this root is not fitting for that equation. Only the root of, when you substitute it here in the place of x equal to 4 power n, we are getting 63. That means, and this is the correct root. Therefore we found out the root of this equation x equal to 4 power n.